Welcome to another vlog from Gopakumar Rajan. Oriel is the window to the universe and unknown frontiers. An open eye on everything imaginable and beyond. Please subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Press the bell icon and select all for latest video notification. Also don't forget to like and share this video among your friends. Today, we are going to visit a lesser-known waterfall in Idukki district of Kerala, India. It is popular among the local youths but not known to outsiders. Tourists seldom visit this spot. The Thooval Waterfall is gaining popularity nowadays because of the beauty of the falls and its surroundings. This is also a favorite picnic spot for many families. Idukki district is the hilly areas of Kerala also known as Highranges, which is a part of the ecologically important Western Ghats. Tea, pepper and cardamom are the main crops of Idukki other than vegetables and fruits. Idukki has more than 50 beautiful waterfalls of various sizes. Unfortunately, majority of them are unknown to the tourists visiting Idukki. Thooval Waterfall is worth mentioning among them. It is one of the unique waterfalls in the district where you can watch it in many levels including the Crest. The crest is easily accessible. But the bottom of the falls and the base are accessible by foot only through the steep and slippery trails. However, the breathtaking view of the falls is worth the risk and effort. The Thooval Fall is on the border of the Nedumkandam block panchayat. The Aruvi or the river Thooval coursing down from places like Ettitoppu and Manjapara. It can be accessed from Eshukamvile, Ettitoppu or Manjapara. From Nedumkandam, you can reach the falls via a place called Pachadi by traveling around 8 kilometers. From Kattappana, via the Eshukamvile or Ettitoppu. From Adamali, it is around 33 kilometers via the Kalarukati, Panakankudi, Melachina and Kalaramakku through the narrow Aravikuji, Thoovalaruvi road. Cabs, jeep and bikes are the better options to reach here. There is no parking and toilet facilities. Park the vehicles on the roadside and walk towards the falls. Reach the base of the falls by walking around 600 meters through the Wellachattam road. This jeep road ends up halfway, then you should follow the foot trails through the farmlands to reach the base. From the base, you can see a distant view of the falls around 1,000 feet away, on the cliff. The waterfall top viewpoint is further uphill from the Wellachattam road junction. Travel around 500 meters and park the vehicle on the roadside. There's a footpath through private farmland leading to the waterfall top. There is a gallery to watch the falls from the crest of the falls. From here, you can enjoy the beauty of the falls, mist-covered hills and never-ending forest and greenery all around you. If you are young and adventurous, follow the narrow trails downhill to reach the main fall's bottom for that amazing view of the face of the falls. The trail and the rock surface are very slippery during rainy season. Don't try to enter the water near the falls. There's no lifeguards or safety measures near the falls. A rescue operation is difficult if a casualty occurs. The base further down is relatively safe for a dip. Check the water level before entering. Always take the advice and help of the local folks. They're friendly and helpful. The water of the Thoovalaruvi flows making milky white foams along its course and falls from the steep cliff. Then it takes a stepping course before flowing again. The flowing water finally reaches the Chinna River and merge with the Periyar. The flow continues from time immemorial, and we return to our abode with the cherishing memories to share with you. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Please stay tuned for another informative video.